Morning, it's December 13th, I believe. It's like 10 degrees outside. Crazy warm. This weekend we got the custom stairs put in. The old one's taken out, finally. Wandered down towards those. Go from the loft down to the main level. There's a big post there that's going to be part of the railing in the future. There's the upstairs window. Let's go down these stairs. And they curl around this post, all nicely notched in there. Live edge along the top of the stringers. Just nips part of the window, which was always kind of expected. That's down to the bottom. There's the main front door. See if I can. So there's the stairs going up, and they curl around that big post. And they go up there. Let's take a walk up. See the live edge on the front of the steps, all closed in with risers. And the best part is these stairs were made with an extra log from this original building, so the stairs are over 100 years old as well. So just need to get some railings and we're good to go.